Hi, today I am telling you how you can fix it B160 2011 Mercedes W245 TCM transmission control module. Sometime is coming, you can see here in the middle, transmission visit workshop when the car is warm, but that car is cold, that's why you can't see on there. And the other things, when it's hot, then you can see transmission visit workshop. And the common problem when you diagnose it, 4 code is coming like here: 0794, 0733, 0793, 07201 and 0727 sometime is coming. So I am telling you how you can fix that unit, and I will tell you whole procedure, how you can take it out, how you can repair, and then you can put it back, and your car should be ready in 3 to 4 hours. You can see my on other videos, and I am doing today B class. Okay, so I am gonna start it now. Okay, you can see here, first you have to drain the oil nut is here and sump nut is here. You need to open all the other bolts, like this one, the Torx bolt is here. Even the whole sub need to take it out, and make sure first you have to remove that connector. Is a red pin is on there, you have to remove that pin and then you can pull that connector out. Make sure first of that you have to do that one. Okay, now you can see here the wall block is on there. You have to remove that bolts, this one, and 7 bolt is inside, small, look, 7 bolt is on there, and here is 8 bolt is on there. You have to remove all of them, and then the wall block is coming down. You have to press. Okay, now you can see this unit is proper finishing on there and it's repaired. Yeah, so now I am gonna install inside the car, and sometime you can see this is the other unit I have, and it's broken the leg from here. You can see this leg is broken. See, you can see here is because of the shipping. The customer sent it to the one company, big company, ECU repair, and they saying that when they receive, and then the leg was broken, so we can fix as well that one. So now I am gonna fit this unit back, and if you want to do that job, so we can take it out, repair it, adaptation, torque setting, gearbox oil change, gasket change, and complete job 3 to 4 hours. So if you want to do it, bring the car to us, we will do complete job, or send the unit to us, we can repair in 1 hour. You can wait, cup of coffee, your unit will be ready. So you can call 07402536 382. Okay, thank you.